said you're a hater. I will go down.